Hey guys, Chris, fixing driven with my 96 BMW 328i, and today I'm going to be doing an oil change. I know it's cheap stuff, you know, pick it up at your local auto parts store or Walmart, but I've always had good luck with Valvoline. Picked this up a couple months ago. Third owner. Well, I'm the third owner, but currently has 125,000 miles. And it is fairly clean. Dang cats. You know. Yeah, but it's not bad. It is a little dirty. But it's got the sports seats. Sadly, it's an automatic. But plans to do a manual swap in the future. Well, now it's time to get it jacked up and start doing this oil change. Got the car up, looking like a monster truck. And you know, the cheap set tools, but work with what you got. And if you're working in the dirt, you definitely gotta have something to lay on. But yeah, gotta get under there. We'll just crack this a little bit. Yep, leave it sit there. Let's get that plug off. And I jacked it up on the right side facing the front because, well, the drain plug is right there. A little dirty under here, but daily driver. And yeah, should come out nice and easy. Got my 18mm ratchet on there. And mixed up. Yep. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Broker free. That's good. At least I didn't bust my knuckles. See how black this stuff is. Been needing to do this for quite some time. Hope it doesn't spray, you know, just, yeah, be safe. Don't know how. Oh, there we go, yeah. She's a little dark. Oh, yeah. It's a little bit. Not too bad. Definitely needed it. Woo! While the oil's draining underneath, I'm gonna make sure I don't forget that. And get this oil filter housing taken apart. Put a new filter in there. Yeah. Although I don't have the right size socket for that, I do have a massive set of channel locks. So we're gonna do that. Gonna attempt to do this one-handed. Maybe with the right hand would be easier. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh. I'm gonna try this. Try to go around a little more. Ugh. Ugh. Yep, I had to use two hands. That's a lot harder to do with one hand. Trying to get a good grip on some channel locks. Alright. Not spill too much oil. Woo! Doesn't look too bad. Obviously it's old, but could be worse. Got the new filter. New O-ring for the housing, little crush washer for the drain plug. Yeah. Before I go throwing it in, take this old one out. Try to throw it in this box. Oh god. Yep, little wiggle. There she goes. No! Making messes. Let's put this bad boy in. Push it in there firm. Nice and tight. I'm gonna put the drain plug back on before I go put more oil in that area. Crush washer. And we got some of that new stuff flowing out. Got my washer on there. Get my hands a little dirty. Feel it. There we go. Yep. That pan's a little full. Oh gosh. Yep. A little tight space in there. Now I can hit it with the old ratchet. Get her snug. One of the very few things that's good about working in dirt is when you spill oil everywhere, because you are messy. Yeah, she's snugged up. Time to get that filter in and get all buttoned up. Do some more oil. Yeah, so good. And we'll put some good new stuff in there. Let it flow. Get it nice and soaked. And it calls for 6.7 quarts, I believe, for this M52. That one, a little less, but we got plenty more where that came from. And some more oil. Put some more oil in there. Get it all nice and soaked. It's a happy motor. Lubricated motor is a happy motor. And we're getting close to being full. I think we'll call it good right there. And we'll get this cap with the new O-ring put back on. It's a little tight squeeze. Brand new filter. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It's a tight squeeze. Especially with this dang cover sitting in the way slightly. Alright. I'm gonna have to hit it with the old channel locks. She's nice and tight now. Nice and sealed. A little beat up. Definitely gonna have to invest into the actual socket and make it much easier. But now it's time to put some fluids in. Get some fluids. This one I don't really need a funnel for. Should be alright. Just sit it on there and still make a little mess. But not bad. Alright. Let that sit there. Oh god. Oh god. Oh god. I just want it to sit there, but it doesn't want to sit there. Nope. Nope. Well, so much for getting every last drop. I'm spilling more than I'm putting in the damn thing.
Not my seal. Not my seal. Get that dang seal back in there. Oh, come on. Come on. Come on.
Good. All right. Time for that one. Funnel set up. Try to put some more oil in it. Maybe not make a mess. Put about 80% of this in it and then check the level.
That gold. Beautiful gold. Mm. This gonna take a little while. Small funnel. Ooh. Cutting it close.
At least it's not a million degrees out. And it's cloudy. The desert sucks. And that's pretty good. Gotta about right. It's almost at the 1. Just a little under. So we'll let that settle for a moment and then give it a check. Before I check it, I'm gonna put back on the ground. Probably a good idea. Have an accurate reading. And my hands are oily. It's not gonna be very easy. Gentle. Try to get it loosened up a little bit. There we go. To the ground. I need to get rag. It's close. Probably gonna use that full 5 quarts. Oh, yeah. Alright, so we can barely see it down there. Can't really see it, but put about half a quart more in there. See where it reads. It's going up. See if it'll focus. Yeah. Maybe. No. Yeah, but anyways, it's like right there. You know, about halfway. Yeah. I'll probably put that other half quart in there and call it good. Every last drop. Alright. Let that funnel drain a little bit. That's good. Oh yeah. Nice and shiny. Look at that. See that dude's take a nice final check. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Full now. Now, you know those things suck. No, doesn't want to focus. It's full. Just take my word for it, it's full. She's good. Put it back together. We'll really just put the cap back on. Clean up my mess. Oil everywhere. Put that in there for now. And she's done. She's done. And that does it for the oil change. Cost some AC though. Let's start chilling. Thanks for watching. If you have any recommendations, tips, tricks, any comments, just let me know.